Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete missions in Monopoly Go. There can be many different missions that you need to do. For example, here on the bottom left, on the wins section, if you click on it, you'll have different things that you need to do in order to get rewards. In this case, I've completed all of my quick wins for the next 21 hours. However, you can see that if I were to carry on, I can unlock some special rewards down here, as well as the rewards I get for completing each mission. On the right hand side, you have this little builder's hat. This basically means that if you complete your board within the next however many time is here at the bottom, you'll be able to get the rewards that you see here on screen. Some extra missions that you can do, for example, is here on the right hand side. There may be sometimes some events. In this case, you can see that I'm 86th in the current event. That will last another 2 hours and 24 minutes. If I click on it, and you click here on the little eye icon, it'll give you some information on basically how to progress through the event to get to the top. You may also have the prize relay, which is here at the top. In order for you to progress and get some rewards, you'll need to land on these tiles shown down here. And last but not least, the last missions that you can find is if you click here on the top right and click on daily treats, you'll see that when you log in daily, you'll get different rewards. So make sure to at least just log in at some point during each day for you to get these different rewards. And that's all the different missions there is so far on Monopoly Go. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.